Believe me, no one is with you. They come for their need, and time passes, no one wait for you. Giving rose someone is not a love, but treating to someone like a rose is a love. Every person is respectable and precious for me. How give respect in return of respect and loyalty in return of loyalty. We are men, we mature by damage, not by age. Everything is beautiful depending upon the situation. Everything in your life is a choice of reflection you have made. If you want to change your life, you must have to change your choice. Salary is a drug they give you to forget your dream. People still think that I am your, so come and tell them that we are not together now. I finally understood that when a person don't want to like you anymore, they will repeat the same thing again and again and hurt you until you don't leave the place. Maulana Rumi says everyone has been made for some particular work and the desire of that work has been put in their heart. Let it go. If you let go a little, you will have a little happiness. But if you let go a lot, you will have a lot happiness. Believe in business. A single day profit can beat a someone month salary. This is the Khan. He is abusing me, and I don't have a power. When I will get a power, I will destroy it and will beat it.
And France this. ये फारे है.
You are disturbing to me. How dare you? Invest early, your future self will thank to you. Most people wait until the life get expensive. Injustice in anywhere is a threat for justice in every year. When injustice is ignored in one place, it can spread anywhere. So if people remain silent while others are treating unfairly, society cannot enjoy lasting peace if a people remain silent while others are treating unfairly. Justice is strongest when people stand up for what is right, regardless of how is affected. It's quite remind us that fairness, equality, and respect for human dignity is everyone's responsibility. Ignoring injustice because it does not affect us today, but it will affect us tomorrow. What happens when the tools of power are no longer physical? How can you defeat a person who has nothing to lose? The strongest weapon is not a gun, it is a fearless mind. You cannot change what happened, but you can change what happened next. There are things that happened that you did not deserve for it. Never stop investing yourself. Every new day is another opportunity to learn, grow, and begin again. Progress is not about perfection, it is about not giving up on the person you want to become. Keep moving. The best version of yourself is still ahead. If only by going to Mecca there would be a guidance, then the Abu Jahl was living in Mecca. Life is better when nobody know anything about you. Time has taught us that to consider the people, while other we understand that every person is sincere to us. Bullet est that earn while you sleep. Life will always bring unexpected challenge, but your response will shape your future. Stay calm during a storm. Choose wisdom over anger, and remember that your greatest power lies in how you carry yourself from the wrong circumstance, and always remember that your choice is greater than your wrong circumstance. Make yourself happy, don't expect happiness from others. Your greatest weapon is your mind, so train it to see opportunity, not obstacles. Everyone has the same eye, but not everyone has the same view. No matter how beautiful you are, but if you are in wrong place, you are worthless. Be strong, but not rude. Be humble, but not shy. Be kind, but not weak. Be proud, but not arrogant. My life gets smoother when I learn that I don't have to react every situation. Evil eye are so scary. You don't know how secretly hate you or pray for your downfall. So may Allah protect us from them. And when in sujood your head hit the ground, you become the closest to your creator and all your worries fall down. So it is the thing that best for you. You cannot change your past, but you can change your future how look like. So your one decision today will change your future tomorrow. Knowledge is knowing what to say, but wisdom is knowing whether do not say. A cigarette is nothing more than a pinch of tobacco wrapped in paper and a fire in one end and an arrogant on the other end. Hurt me with the truth, but never happy me with the lie.